Welcome to respitrack certification. Module 1, Introduction to Respite Care. My name is Anton, and I will be your training instructor for this certification program. This program was designed specifically for UCP Sacramento respite care workers and meets California Department of Developmental Services requirements. Let me start with the most important thing. Respite care is not babysitting. It is skilled, compassionate support that gives primary caregivers the break they need to sustain their own health and well-being. Without you, families burn out. Children and adults with developmental disabilities lose stability. The system breaks down. You are the relief valve. That is a serious responsibility. In California, respite workers serve individuals with developmental disabilities through regional center funding. Your clients may have intellectual disabilities, autism spectrum disorder, cerebral palsy, epilepsy, or conditions that require specialized support. Every client is different. Every family is different. Your job is to provide safe, person-centered care tailored to the individual support plan. Over the next 8 modules, you will learn client safety and emergency procedures, personal care and daily living support, behavioral support strategies, medication awareness, and incidental medical services, communication techniques for nonverbal and limited verbal clients, cultural competency and family dynamics, documentation and reporting requirements, and your rights and responsibilities as a respite worker. Each module takes approximately 10 minutes. You will complete a short assessment after each one. When you finish all 8 modules and pass the assessments, you will receive your respitrack certification. Let us begin with Module 2, Client Safety.